Okay, boys and girls, for this activity, you're going to need red and yellow counters. So you're going to need 10 of them and a cup. So what you're going to do is you put your counters in the cup and then you give it a little bit of a shake, not a big shake, so it doesn't go all over the place. And then you're going to color how many counters are red and how many are yellow. So if I had my cup and I shook it, I would show that I had and I'm going to color these red. I would have 3 red counters, and then I had 7 yellow counters because we're talking about friends of 10. So there's all sorts of ways to make 10, and so we're showing that by our counters, our red and yellow counters. So then I'm going to say 3 and 7 make 10. So then you can do it again. You shake your cup and you pour out the counters and see how many red and how many yellow you have. So if I did that, I could get 8 red counters. And if I had 8, then I know I would have 2 yellow because the 10 friends, 8 and 2 make 10, so I would write 8 and 2. So here I want you to push pause on the video and I want you to do the last 4 on your own and come up, use the counters to help you come up with different ways to make 10. And then once you're done, push play and we'll go over the back side together. Okay, boys and girls, so here on the back, on the double bubble bonds, we're talking about number bonds and we're talking about doubles. So when we have a number bond, the whole is the biggest number and the whole goes at the top or in the bubble by itself, and then the parts go with the 2. So we have to decide what like 4 plus 4 equals. So you can use the charts that your teacher has on the wall to help you find which ones make what they make. So we know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. So this number bond is 8. And then we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. So that goes there. So I want you to do the rest of the bubbles using the charts on your wall and then raise your hand for your teacher to come check it. Good job.